Hello everyone, this is Mehek from Crafty Minds. Today we are going to work on donut. So let's get started. We are going to work on this yummy donut. For this I have used a plain piece of paper and watercolors. In this I have used markers and cut it out. Same, I cut this one out and I have used pencil colors in this. So let's see what all materials do we need for this art project. We are going to use a plain piece of paper, watercolors, a cup of water, and I'm using mason jar, piece of cloth to wipe brushes, and paint brushes. I'm using one flat brush and two round brushes. I'm going to use Sharpie to draw. You can also use pencil. And I'll be using pen to draw sprinkles. And if you're using pencil, you can draw with that. So let's start. We are going to make a big oval over here. And I'm going to show you how you can break your oval into two. So we are going to make a big curve like this and then stop. Then again start from here from the top and make your another curve and join this line. Right? Now to make a donut hole in there, we are going to make a smiley line or a curve like this. And then we are going to make a curve like this. Then we are going to put a frosting on a donut. For that, we are going to make a wiggly line like this. And then again over here we are going to make a wiggly line like this. Here we go. We are done with our donut, but what we are missing? We are missing sprinkles. Now we are going to add sprinkles up here. I'm making a tiny rectangles for sprinkles. You can also use like a circle, triangle, any shape you want to. And you can fill your like top part, your frosting with sprinkles. Or you can just mix it up too. You can make some few round sprinkles, some triangle, some rectangle, whatever works best for you. Okay, now we are going to color in it. So I'm going to start with the base first, and for that I'm going to use brown color. That's a little darker shade. So it's all the way down there. I'm gonna use this. Just in one stroke, just go in the way like a curve. See? And then I'm gonna wipe my brush, use this yellow. This is not a yellow color, this is ochre color, and I'm using ochre for that. So see, use that and just try to blend in this dark color shade, brown one. So we added the darker shade down there, and then we are adding the light shade up there. See, like this. Gonna wipe my brush. And also over here, that's the same part. We're going to add a little bit of dark and then light. And your ochre shade. So it's brown and ochre. We are using 2 shades for our donut base. Here. Now for frosting, I'm going to use pink color because I want strawberry frosting. And it's a really light shade of pink. And I mixed for this one, to make this color, this shade, I mixed white and red color to make this light pink. So if you want, you can make your donut chocolate, brown color, or any color you want to, like red, pink, purple, red, green. You don't have to go exactly with this color or and I'm using watercolor in this one, in this donut. If you want, you can use pencil colors or crayons, markers, whatever is available at your place. You can just work with that. I'm almost done with my frosting. And remember, you can always pause the video and draw and take your time. Here we go, we are done with our frosting. Now I'm gonna wipe my brush. Use this tiny little brush for sprinkles. So I'm going to use red color and make sure if you're using watercolors, just try not to take a lot of paint in your brush. You can always dip one time in your paint and just dip little just on your piece of cloth or napkin, whatever you are using, just to take the extra water off. And I'm just going to wipe my brush, dip in purple, take extra paint off, and then put it up here. And you can just put it randomly. I'm gonna use orange color now. So you can make your sprinkles colorful because they are colorful. There you go. Going to wipe my brush and then dip it in green color. Now I'm gonna take blue color. To take red again. I think we are done with our sprinkles too. Here we go. We are done with our donut. Hope you enjoyed working on donut today. If you like it, make sure to thumbs up and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.